5 drinks to repair and heal your inflamed colon. Your colon is a long tube located at the end of your digestive system, responsible for finishing the digestion of your food and turning it into stools. This is where water, electrolytes, and certain vitamins are absorbed through the walls of your intestine into your bloodstream. Unfortunately, the inner walls of the large intestine can often become inflamed and deteriorate, triggering issues such as diverticulitis, inflammatory bowel diseases, colitis, Crohn's disease, irritable bowel syndrome, chronic constipation, and many other disorders. In this video, however, we will explore 5 very simple drinks that help heal and reduce colon inflammation. As always, I remind you that this video is for educational purposes only, so feel free to consult your doctor if you have any medical concerns. 1. Raw cabbage juice. One of the best natural remedies to reduce colon inflammation and treat ulcers is raw cabbage juice. Simply add fresh organic purple or green cabbage into a blender or electronic juicer, filter the mixture, then drink 1 to 4 cups per day. Cabbage juice is rich in glutamine and methylmethionine, also known as vitamin U. These 2 powerful natural ingredients have been shown in studies to help heal the colon mucosa in the treatment of ulcers and inflammation. Additionally, the vitamin C and glutamine in this drink can restore the protective mucus layer in your intestine, preventing toxins from leaking into your body and causing an autoimmune reaction. 2. Bone broth. Bone broth is one of the richest sources of collagen, the material necessary for the formation of the mucosa of your colon and gastrointestinal tract. Our ancestors regularly consumed it as it was prepared by boiling animal bones in stew, but this practice has fallen out of favor over the past 60 years, which could be the cause of collagen loss. Instead of boiling bones at home, you can simply purchase a bone broth powder made from grass-fed fish or beef bones and add this tasteless liquid to a glass of water or into a soup. It is rich in amino acids called proline, glutamine, and arginine, all of which help to seal damaged areas of your mucosa and restore the integrity of your intestinal walls. This helps to reduce colon inflammation and prevent autoimmune diseases such as psoriasis, arthritis, celiac disease, pernicious anemia, hypothyroidism, etc. 3. Apple cider vinegar and turmeric. Another very powerful option is apple cider vinegar and turmeric. Take a glass of water, add a tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well and drink twice a day, 30 minutes before eating a meal. Apple cider vinegar is made from fermented apple juice and is rich in acetic acid. This nourishes the cells of your colon with short-chain fatty acids, which help strengthen them and heal any damage in the walls of your intestine. Turmeric also contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can help destroy harmful microbes that may live in your digestive tract. This tonic is also one of the best drinks for overcoming acid reflux, as it helps restore digestive juices called bile enzymes and hydrochloric acid so that you can properly digest your food. Note that if you have stomach ulcers, please avoid this drink until they are first healed, as the acidity can irritate them. 4. Wheatgrass juice. One of the main issues for people with inflamed colons is difficulty digesting vegetables and fruits due to their high fiber content. However, we need certain essential nutrients and also plant chlorophyll to help heal the intestinal mucosa and restore cell walls damaged by inflammation. To overcome this issue, you can opt for raw wheatgrass juice powder, available in health food stores. This powder is made from the juice of wheatgrass that has been slowly dried at low temperature to preserve its nutrients. Simply mix a teaspoon of this powder into a glass of water and drink every morning on an empty stomach to boost the healing process in your intestina. This is one of the richest sources of chlorophyll without the fibers, which can help restore the mucous barrier in your intestina and secure tight junctions in the colon cell wall to prevent toxins from leaking into your body, causing a leaky gut and autoimmune diseases. 5. Kefir. And finally, we have number 5, which is kefir. As I mentioned earlier, many people have a sensitivity to lactose present in dairy products like milk, which can cause inflammation in your intestine. However, kefir is a fermented dairy product that removes much of the lactose and makes it easier to digest for those with intestinal issues. Kefir is actually one of the best natural semi-liquid foods you can consume to restore the billions of friendly microbes living in your large intestine. You can buy kefir grains and make it yourself at home with milk, or you can purchase it from health food stores. But make sure it's not pasteurized, as pasteurized products kill friendly bacteria. The probiotics in this drink are very helpful for those with any type of intestinal damage, especially ulcerative colitis, inflammatory bowel disease, and Crohn's disease. It also helps improve the pumping action of your colon to prevent constipation, which can also be a cause of inflammation in your colon. As you can see, there are many fantastic remedies you can try to help heal your inflamed colon and restore normal digestion. I recommend trying one of these remedies daily for a period of 4 weeks and noting in a journal how your digestion improves over time. If one remedy doesn't work, then move on to discovering which remedy has the most positive impact. These drinks work best when used in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle, low in stress, processed foods, and toxins. That being said, let's now move on to examining the 6 lifestyle tips you can also use to support the healing of your colon. 1. Eliminate grains, gluten, vegetable oils, high-fiber fruits, vegetables, and legumes for the time being, as they can irritate the intestine. During this healing process, you can use cabbage juice or wheatgrass juice as a substitute for vegetables, as the fibers can irritate the intestinal mucosa. 2. Consume plenty of high-quality protein rich in amino acids, such as grass-fed beef, bone broths, and chicken soup with sautéed onions. The amino acids in these foods will help restore collagen in the mucosa of your colon and tighten the cell lining to prevent toxins from leaking into your bloodstream. 3. Start taking daily 20,000 international units, or 0.5 milligrams of vitamin D3, along with 200 micrograms of vitamin K2. Individuals with intestinal damage typically have a deficiency in vitamin D. This higher dose is needed to stimulate healing in the colon and reduce the inflammatory response of your immune system. 4. Eliminate alcohol and quit smoking as much as possible. These habits deplete your antioxidants and vitamin C, which can lead to scurvy in the colon, where toxins leak into your bloodstream, causing autoimmune diseases. 5. Take a daily L-glutamine supplement. This is available in powder or capsule form and helps directly restore the protective mucosa of the digestive tract. This works particularly well for ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. 6. After your issue has subsided, you can slowly reintroduce steamed vegetables into your diet. However, try to stay away from inflammatory grains, gluten, and vegetable oils, as they may bring back your issue. To protect your colon long term, it's also crucial to increase the amount of friendly bacteria living inside. This can be achieved by consuming foods rich in probiotics and prebiotics. Thank you very much for your attention. If you want to learn more about nutrition and incorporate healthy foods into your lifestyle, check out our other videos. Your support in the form of likes is always appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of our latest health videos. I wish you excellent health, wealth, and happiness.